been faking me out. Can't make you happier now. Sometimes I think about you. Late nights in the middle of June. He always been faking me out. Can't make you happier now. Usually I put something on TV, so we never think about you and me. But today I see our reflections clearly in Hollywood, laying on the screen. You just need a better life than this. I don't wanna go to sleep tonight when I'm staying out
Não fala por aí, bagulho sério, não se esqueça. Chifre é uma coisa que
Só se você quiser.
Vamos nessa, bebê, vai, ó.
Mas se você quiser, te pego de lado, te tapo de quatro, puxo seu cabelo, te pego.